Hi everyone. We all know that managing a small business is challenging, but it's even harder when you offer home services. In addition to all the payment paperwork, you need to do home visits, as well as make sure you don't overbook or underbook yourself. The platform we're reviewing today, Jobber, offers various tools to help you out. Not only can you count on automatic follow-ups, but the software also comes with built-in CRM, a user-friendly scheduler, and much more. But before we get into it, make sure to visit us at bestreviews.net for an always up-to-date review, as well as ways to save on Jobber and try the software at zero cost. The first time you log into Jobber, you'll answer a small survey about the nature of your business. Depending on your answers, the company adjusts those first steps to help you set up the account. For example, if you say that you use QuickBooks, Jobber prompts you to import all your customer data from this app right away. Users who don't use QuickBooks can still import customer data from a CSV file. Of course, it's also possible to manually add clients to your account. The built-in CRM tool lets you access your customers' full history, including past quotes, billing, jobs, and more. The best part is that you can completely customize Jobber by taking advantage of custom fields. Meanwhile, clients can use Jobber's user-friendly Client Hub to pay invoices, check their requests, hire additional services, to name just a few. This platform is completely optional, and you can easily do business with clients without them using Client Hub. There's a lot that comes with providing a home service. From acquiring customers to visits and offering personalised quotes, entrepreneurs have a wide variety of administrative tasks to do. This is time that could be better spent doing what you love most, your craft. Jobber offers features that help you throughout the process of providing a home service. First up, the software comes with professional quote templates, which you can customize depending on what you offer. Plus, the app lets your customers choose among all the services you provide, letting them know the final price right away. Helpfully, Jobber also sends automatic follow-ups. So if one of your customers has taken a long time to respond to your quote, they'll get a reminder via text message or email. When a quote has been accepted, it's time to create a job. The app makes it easy for you to plan when the work should be done through its drag-and-drop scheduler. More importantly, Jobber allows for recurrent schedules, which will save you a lot of time. For example, if you always take care of your customer's lawn on a Thursday, when you add this to Jobber, the software will automatically lock that time slot every week. Sometimes it's necessary to visit the location before closing the deal. Since Jobber is available on mobile, you don't need to be stuck at your desk. The best part is that you can add notes and pictures to your job requests, allowing you to provide all the necessary details to the job entry while out. But that's not where Jobber's features end. From reminding customers and alerting you about unpaid invoices, Jobber is always at your side, helping you remember all the important details for your home service business to succeed. Moreover, the software makes managing your employees easier, as you can go through their schedules, allocate new jobs, and efficiently plan their route with just a few clicks. Usually, platforms like these are expensive. Fortunately, that's not the case with Jobber. There are several plans that cater to different types of businesses, making sure you don't overspend on features you don't need. The cheapest subscription is best suited for home service workers who fly solo, whereas the others cater to small businesses. The most expensive plan supports up to 30 users, but you can add more by paying a small extra fee. Since the company provides monthly and annual billing cycles, it's not surprising that you can save on your subscription by committing to a longer contract. Additionally, Jobber offers a free trial that allows you to test everything the platform offers without paying a dime. To know more about how to try Jobber at zero cost and save on your subscription, visit us at bestreviews.net. Your business can't stop if Jobber's software malfunctions. The company knows this and offers 24/7 customer support via live chat, phone, and email. More importantly, the company takes roughly under a minute to respond to your queries. But before contacting the company, we recommend going over its website. Jobber does a terrific job laying out all information in an intuitive manner, explaining how its features work in detail. Last but not least, you can reach Jobber via social media, as the company has profiles on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Plus, all customers get access to a private and engaging Facebook group where thousands of home service workers offer each other help and support. At the end of the day, Jobber is an intuitive, all-in-one platform that helps streamline your administrative tasks. This is precious time that would be put to better use getting new customers and more jobs, leading to a more lucrative business. The best part is that the software offers automatic follow-ups to make sure no invoice or quote slips through the cracks. And all of this while staying affordable both for small businesses and one-person shows. Still, due to the number of features provided, Jobber can be a bit overwhelming for newcomers, and it's a shame that you need to pay additional fees when you go above 30 users. It's true that Jobber is a good fit for any type of home service worker, but we recommend it mainly to small businesses. Although the plans that support additional users are more expensive, the more advanced features they provide are worth every cent. To know more about Jobber, including free trials and discounts, don't forget to visit us at bestreviews.net. Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!